Hello, Namaste, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today my kids asked me to make a dosa and sambar, and I already had dosa batter in my freezer that I usually prepare extra. So to prepare sambar, I have prepared in a very simplest and quickest way. So I will share my recipe. So let's start with the recipe. So here I have taken 3/4 cup of Toor Dal, that is also known as Urad Dal. So I will wash them 3 to 4 times and I will soak it in a water for around 30 minutes. If you have time, then you can soak it, otherwise it's fine, totally optional. So here's the I have washed it. Now into the pressure cooker add Toor Dal and around 3 cups of water. And now here I will do the different thing. I will first cut off all the vegetables. So here I have taken around 2 small onions. I have cut them in a big pieces. I have taken 2 tomatoes, 2 small tomatoes, some Lauki, that is dudhi, and some drumsticks. So here I am making for 4 people. So first I will add tomatoes and onions to the pressure cooker. So you can also add all the vegetables in a pressure cooker, but I will add just onion and tomato. I will separately boil the Lauki and drumstick in a pot because we like the sambar texture like smooth. We don't like that grainy texture. So here I am taking a separate pot and I will add Lauki and drumstick. You can also take that eggplant or pumpkin or vegetable of your choice. So now you can see that into the pot that Lauki and drumsticks is cooked. We will save that water and we will use it for sambar. Now we will check the pressure cooker. After 2 to 3 whistles, you can see that Toor Dal is also cooked. So here another optional step is here that you can grind it with a hand blender, or you can just stir with the spoon. If you like the grainy texture, then you can leave it out like this. But we like a smooth texture, so I will use the hand blender, and just give it a blend. And now we can see this looks good to me. So now we will add this looks thick, so I will add water that we have used for we used to boil the vegetables, because this is very healthy and very flavorful water. So use the same water, don't discard that water. And now this consistency looks good to me. So let's do tadka. So into the pot I will add around 2 teaspoons of oil. We don't need extra oil. So this is the very simplest way that we will boil the vegetable and Toor Dal, and then we just do the tadka. So this is like a regular dal. So once oil get hot, I have added around a teaspoon of mustard seed, that is rye, 1/4 teaspoon of Methi seeds, and 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal. Then add some dry red chili and 1/4 teaspoon of Hing, that is Asafetida. Once everything looks cooked, you can see that Urad Dal has changed its color. Now we will add around 10 to 12 curry leaves and around half a teaspoon of grated ginger. This is optional, but this gives a good taste. Now saute it for a minute or so until you see like the ginger is cooked. Now we will add the dal mix. Now give it a good mix, and we will do We will also add the vegetables at this point. Now we will add all the spices. So around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi, around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoon of Sambar Masala. I'm using a ready-made Sambar Masala, store-bought one, and give it a good mix. So on side I will prepare the tamarind puree. So just take some tamarind and soak it in a hot water. So and then squeeze it. So you will get tamarind puree. So here I am adding around 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. You can add according to your taste. If you like a little bit too soury, then you can add more. Here some people also add jaggery, but we don't like sweet. So I'm just adding tamarind here, no jaggery here. And now we will add a salt to taste. I have added around 1 teaspoon. Now we have to just wait until we see like 2 to 3 boils. Once it will be boiled, then it will get thickened. Now you can see that color looks so beautiful and it has come to the boil. You can see the color. This is very simplest way and very quick way to make a sambar, and yet no compromise for the taste. Just keep stirring meanwhile, and you can adjust the consistency if you think it's too watery. If you think it's too thick, then you can add water, and if you think it's too watery, then just keep boiling it. Now it's ready to serve. So you can see that it was so easy and quick way to prepare the sambar. There is no extra steps to like saute the vegetables and everything, yet it's so tasty and flavorful. So you can serve it with idli or dosa or uttapam. So do try my way and let me know in the comment. Follow for more. Thank you for watching.